Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm showing you 10 ways I keep my home smelling fresh and clean year-round. Some of the products I make myself, others I pick up at my local store. But either way, they're easy to use and they keep my home smelling amazing. Want to see how I do it? Keep watching. So like I mentioned, I'm going to show you 10 ways I keep my home smelling fresh and clean and amazing all the time. So guys, one of the easiest ways to do this is by using fresh fruit items to create your own potpourri. And it is super simple. So I love using orange slices to do this. I take at least 2 oranges and then I cut them up into slices about a 1/2 inch thick. And you can use like the orange peel if you don't want to use the entire orange. So yes, you can use the orange peel to do this, but I do like using the entire orange. So now that my orange slices are ready, I'm going to put them into my crock pot. I rarely actually cook any other food in this crock pot, so it's kind of become my crock pot for potpourri. So next, I like to add in some cinnamon sticks, and this adds a little bit of spiciness to the aroma. So I add in as many as I want, and I follow that up with some cloves. So this is actually not clove powder. These are the little clove pieces, and I just throw in as many cloves as I want. There's no particular measurement that I use, and I then set my crock pot to high to begin with, and then I later cut it down and just let the fragrance freshen up my home all day long. So the second thing I do to make my home smell clean is to spray down my surfaces and my countertops every day. And I love using Meyer's multi-surface cleaner. So it really does smell like aromatherapy. The bottle says it's aromatherapy, and honestly, it smells just like aromatherapy. And then when my counters are clean, they not only smell fresh, but they also shine like they're brand new, which is kind of fun. By the way, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and of course, click the notification bell. After I'm done wiping down my countertops, I place a nice fruit bowl in the center or some fresh flowers. So one of my favorite places in my home is the sitting room. So it's where I like to read a book, have a nice cup of coffee or tea or a glass of wine. And I want to keep this area smelling fresh, but not with a house cleaner smell. So I like to use my own room and linen spray that contains essential oil. And yes, I make the spray myself. And if you've never tried it, I highly recommend you trying to make your own room spray because it is so easy. So I actually made a video showing you exactly how I make my own room spray. You can click the link above, or you can check out the link in the description box below. So guys, I like to spray my sofa. I like to spray the pillows on my sofa, and even my throw that I snuggle under. I like to spray it so that it smells nice and fresh when I'm watching a movie. So after I'm done freshening up my sofa and my pillows, I go ahead and set the mood in the room by lighting a fragrant scented candle. I believe this one is by Voluspa, if I'm not mistaken. And I will drop a link in the description box for these candles because they smell amazing. So another way that I like to keep my home smelling fresh, clean, and fragrant is by using reed diffusers. So the one right here in the box These are by Nest, but Reese diffusers are so easy to make. I actually make them myself, and I show you how I do this in my room spray and my oil diffuser video. The link is above, or again, you can check the link in the description box. And Reed diffusers, they're nice because you can sit them in small spaces and they look really fancy, but they are super simple. They just add a touch of classiness and beauty to the room. I mean, honestly, it's a couple of sticks and some essential oil, and they just look really cute. And they're so fragrant. So the bathroom is the ultimate place to keep fresh, and Fabuloso is what I love using to keep my bathroom fresh. So just add a little bit to your commode and it will freshen the entire room. So curtains are one of the main things that can be neglected in a home. So I like to give mine a little bit of love by just freshening them up with some Febreze fabric spray. So this next technique that I use is with Downy Unstoppables. Yes, Downy Unstoppables. Basically, I use these little thin bags that I have. And if you want to try to make these, make sure that the bag is really thin so that the smell comes through the bag. So I like to take a spoonful or a capful and just fill each of my little bags with these little, they look like little pellets. So I initially bought these Downy Unstoppables to go into my washer. But once I realized how great the smell was, I thought, okay, I can use these as somewhere else. So yes, I've been using them as room fresheners and they work amazingly. I find places around my house just to place them and let them freshen up the area. Another hack that I like to use is with the Gain fabric softeners. So these fabric softeners are not only useful in the dryer, but they are also useful in your dirty clothes basket. So I like to keep my dirty clothes basket fresh by removing the bag from inside of the basket and then placing a couple of the cloths at the bottom of the basket and then placing the actual bag back inside the basket. After I'm done cleaning and freshening up my home, I like to sit back with a cup of tea and a nice book and enjoy the relaxing and fresh atmosphere that I've created. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Products that I use can be found in the description box, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!